Oh my God, I'm so excited. Nothing better than seeing this on your porch. Ta-da! Forgot I ordered these. Let's unbox them. I placed an order. It was still winter, so I totally forgot about these, which is really cool. If you live in Canada, check out bambooplants.ca, and it's an awesome website to order live nursery plants. But yeah, the really cool part is you can order any time of the year and they'll ship them when they're ready to plant. Check this out. I got some black mondo grass, which is what? Ophiopogon planiscapus. A variety is called Nigrescens. And like, look at that. Most black plants you get are actually just like a really deep purple, but this one is actually black. It is so cool. All right, and then to counter that, I got this Hakonechloa. Like, look at that. Such a huge contrast. We got lime green and black, like my hair. This one is called SUNFLARE. So it actually gets red variation in the leaves, which I'm not excited about. I'd rather just be straight green, but it was the only one I could find like that. It's very cool. So anyway, I got 3 each of these guys. Oh no, actually I got 2. 2 of these, and then 3 of the black mondo. That's gonna look so good beside each other. And then I got Kniphofia. So what are they called? Fire pokers, whatever. This variety is called Poker Face. And I got 3 of those. And then I also got the same plant, but high roller, because I couldn't decide. I wanted something bright and orange. So all of these are gonna go out in our center garden out there. And they generally sell them single plants or multiples of 3, which is kind of annoying because I need multiples of 4 for that garden. So I'll show you that now. We're gonna go out and get these planted right now. Oh, there's the cat. Anyway, we'll go get these planted, and I also need to shuffle some plants around because I'm trying to do everything symmetrical in this garden. But this is our front yard. So when we first moved here, I found an awesome deal on Facebook for all of these cedars, the arbovita, whatever. I'm not sure what kind they are, possibly DeGroot Spire. They grow extremely slow, like ½ an inch a year. And then I just got some Woodwardy arbovita from Walmart, 10 bucks each. They've already grown a huge amount. And then last year from Bamboo Plant, I got 30 Green Mountain boxwoods, which go all the way around to square in this front yard. So the idea is eventually to have a hedge around. And this whole front thing that's squared in is our septic tile bed, so I don't want to plant anything that goes deep. Like in this center garden, I used to have a Royal Frost birch, but I have moved it over the winter because birch will follow the water and would probably clog up all of our pipes and everything. But anyways, and yes, we need to mow the grass. So this is my garden in the center of the yard. It's a perfect circle, and I've got lavender going along the compass directions, north, south, east, west, and I use my phone to measure exactly where to put them. I don't know what plant this is, but they're doing really well. I didn't label these. So everything in this garden I grew from seed last year. We've got Arizona Sun blanket flower. Lavender is Hide Coat Blue, and then I've got a different variety in between. These ones are different. I can't remember what they are. Blue pincushion flower, scabiosa. Some delphiniums that reseeded. Oh my God, the lavender smells good. What else have we got? Oh yes, a dianthus, and it's kind of like bluey purple. And it stays nice and low. And then I've got poppies I seeded on the snow. Unfortunately, a lot of them I thought were weeds and started pulling them. All the way around the outside for a border, I've taken cuttings of, it was 103 cuttings of little gem boxwood. And it looks like a lot of them survived. Although you couldn't see, I've got to do the edging again. There's a few things like this scabiosa should be in the exact center, but it's not, so I need to move it over a little bit. That dianthus and that dianthus I think need to go out more. Let's go. So I got 2 of these, I need to divide them into 4. Hopefully they're happy with that. So these are going to be in the center of each 4 quadrants. They get about 2 feet tall by 2 feet wide. Whoa, look at those roots, holy. Okay, I'm going to get my pruners. There we go. Okay, where's the... Whew, hopefully they survive. Okay, so this part's all done. I'll show you where we're gonna put the high rollers. So over here, in each corner of the garden, silver mound, that's a Delphinium shelby, and then a butterfly weed. So I think I'm gonna put one there, one there. Normally I would dig a hole and then pour a ton of water in it and then plant, but today we have like an actual weather alert that we're gonna get so much rain. So this is the perfect time to plant everything. All right, now for the other side, and that's it. So you can see here, that's a poppy. But, so I've got that neon green Hakonechloa here, which will get 2 feet tall by 2 feet wide. And then the 2 black mondo grasses get 1 foot by 1 foot. So I want them like just barely touching. And some of them I had to divide, but I'm hoping they'll all fill in. The mondo grass had little like tuber bulb things at the bottom of the roots, which I'm guessing I had to have one of those on each plant that I divided, and I may have missed some of those. We'll see. And then I divided one of the poker face. I just cut straight through and made sure the new cut I had tons of roots on it, but I don't know if it'll survive. So we'll see. It'll be a crazy nice contrast. And then the poker face has like neon orange blooms, so it'll come up between the two black and pop. It's gonna look amazing. I cannot wait till the summer. For the poppies, they'll die off before this stuff actually grows in, so I'm not worried about them. And hopefully these fill in soon. But anyway, that's all for today.